I think I'm getting food coma as well as Hilltop coma. It's lunchtime and I'm here at Kefi Farm Cafe on top of Talula Hill. And this is actually, the cafe, right, is actually part of the resort. And you can see the cabins over there and a very nice view. This is a farm setting kind of resort. And there are lounge chairs there and over there. I think it's for you to see the sunset or the sunrise. I'm not sure which side the sun sets or the sunrise. I'm going to like take a seat on the lounge chairs and enjoy myself. Okay, before I go to the cafe to have lunch. Okay, I'm here to consume the view more than to consume the food. Okay, I'm gonna show you the view. Wow. Okay, the cafe is right here, and this is where all the guests who stays here in the cabins will have their breakfast, lunch and dinner. Yeah, so they'll have all their food here. This cafe has 2 floors, the top and the bottom. The top floor, okay, I'll show you later, but let's enjoy the view first. Okay, it's very breezy here, as you can see. The leaves of the branches of the trees here are flapping around. Very, very windy, very, very nice. It's a nice chill place, even though it's noon time right now and it's on a bright day, but it's cloudy, so it's not too hot. It's very glaring for me, but it's not, when I look up into the sky it's very glaring. But then looking into the greenery is fine, it's fine. Yeah. I should have brought my sunglasses. Let me bring you closer to the view of the valley. Yeah, the cabins to the left side, the farm. Okay, and it looks like there are still some more developments over there. Okay, not sure whether those are part of the resort. Okay, let's go into the building. Let's go to the upstairs first. Okay, let's go to the top of the building first. And right here is there's a campfire site over there. Campfire site. Okay, no parking here, and this is where all the diners, people who are going to or have just arrived here, will be disembarking. Okay, even the guests for the resorts and guests for the cafes. Okay, and over here it says sunrise deck, kitchen garden. There's a sunrise deck and kitchen garden over here. Okay, and this is where all the cars are parked. Okay, let's close. Oh, there's even a buggy. Okay, so if you are a hotel guest here or a resort guest here, they will use a buggy to bring you up here. And there's a slope up here, and I see some kind of like a building structure up there, a very colorful building structure. Let's take a look up there. It looks kind of like a temple or something like that. Okay, and there's a nice Volkswagen Golf GTI over here, and that's a Buddhist prayer altar. Okay, and let's go up this slope and have a look. Okay, it says here Talula Hill. Okay, so this is Talula Hill. And yeah, true enough, it's a temple. Wow, a temple built up on a mountain top. Yeah, is this considered a mountain or a hill? Yeah, it's a hill. It's called Talula Hill, literally. And there's this, it looks like an event shed. Yeah, event shed. And that's a very colorful temple. Okay, very interesting. A temple built up atop a hill. And let's take a look on to my right to overlook the resort. There are some down there. Okay. And look what I just found. Puppies. So cute, the puppies. I wonder where's the mother. Oh my gosh. They look like small little creatures. They're stretching his back. Yeah, I think my voice woke him up. This little cutie is sleeping. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, look at this. This is so cute. So cute, so cute. Ah, there are two more in there. Okay, there's one more in there. Hiding behind the crate. I think he's trying to hide from the sunlight. Okay. Wow, let's go and find the mother. Where's the mother? I wonder. Guess what? The mama dog is sleeping, is hiding under the car. Okay? All the puppies are right there in front. You can see the crates, the blue color crates. Right there in front, the mama dog is here. Okay? So the mama dog lets all the puppies sleep in the comfortable carton box with a towel. The mama dog is resting here under the shade of a car. Oh, so this place is great for trekking as well. Yeah, the cabins are here. Okay, and you can see people trekking on top. The temple is here on the left side. Okay, take a closer look. Not sure whether you can see them. Those are the people, right, trekking. They're coming down from the hill. Yeah, I wonder what it's like up there. But I'm not going up there today. I think it'll be an interesting place to come and rest and relax. There's a barrier here. Let me try to just go under it to take a closer look. Okay. Wow, what a view. And there are like bats flying around me. Are these bats or no? They're not bats. Okay. Not sure whether you can see. Yeah, in the sky, lots of flying objects, unidentified flying objects. They look like birds. Yeah, sparrows. They look like sparrows. I think these are sparrows. I'm not sure. Wow, look at their graceful flight. They fly really fast. Wow, look at this. And it's very windy here. Okay, you can see all this grass. And the tree leaves are flapping about, and the birds are flapping their wings and gliding. Wow, look at that, it flew so near to me. Another one. Wow, it's amazing. Okay, so this is Talula Hill Resort. Very nice. I think one day I would like to spend some time with my family here. Yeah. Okay, so this is the top floor of the building. Okay, let's go inside. Oh, it says farm shop. Okay, dessert of the day, takeaway, waffles, drinks. Oh, okay. So I guess this is where you have your waffles and drinks. It's a cafe. And this looks like the reception area. There's also a gaming room in there. Okay, gaming room. Let's take a look at the gaming room. So children are playing. Okay, looks interesting. Okay, it's also very windy here. You can look out the window and see the cabin and the valley. The other side is the cafe. Lots of things in there, in the cafe. Okay, let's go inside and have a look. Oh, it's air conditioned in here. Okay, so you can have your waffles and drinks, coffee, and have a good view of the entire place. And there are also like lots of gifts, lollipops. So this is a gift shop also. Lots of snacks for you. And yeah, so that's the waffle machine. Okay, let's head on down to the lower deck. Nice and chill place. I'm at the lower deck now, enjoying a freshly juiced watermelon. Very, very refreshing, and enjoying the view as well. And so I'm seated at these tables that is strategically designed and placed to overlook the valley. Okay, what a good way to enjoy the freshly juiced watermelon. So sweet and refreshing. No sugar added. I can taste that it's no sugar added, but it's so sweet and so refreshing. Let's take a look at the view again. I can see many sheds down there. I believe there's a chicken pen there, right over there with a silver white colored roof. Okay, I think that's a chicken pen because I thought I heard chickens clucking. Yeah, I think from a distance I can see some movement. Yeah, small animal movement that looks like chickens. Yeah, I believe they are chickens, and there are some more sheds over there and over there. I'm not sure what they are, but it'll be interesting, yeah, to stay in the cabins and then to explore the farm, the vegetable farms over there also. Just behind the palm trees, the row of palm trees, just behind that, I can see rows of vegetables. Okay, so if you stay in this resort, you can actually drive your car all the way down and park at the front of the cabin. Yep. And yeah, you can even see an arrow for the road sign. Yeah, single direction coming up. Yeah, the arrow comes up to the cafe. Yeah, turn left and you'll get to the cafe. And the other road will lead the car down, yeah, to the cabin. And there's a little ant here. There's a little ant enjoying the condensed water. Yeah, I'm not sure whether there's any juice for this little friend over here. Yeah, but it looks like he's enjoying the hydration. Okay, I've just been served a plate of fish and chips. That looks really, really nice and delicious. Okay, I'm just going to take a bite of the fries. Look at this fries. Oh. Very nice. Let's cut into the fish and chips and have a look. Okay. Oi. And this is corn fritters. Oh, looks delicious as well. Okay. And Ayam Penyet. Oh, look at it. It's so beautiful. The chili, the smashed chicken drumstick. Okay, the, what do you call this again?
Tempeh.
The tempeh, cucumber, tomato, long bean, and tofu. Wow, and this is just to beautify it. I'm not sure whether this is edible. Okay, what's that? The chicken, so nice, and the chili. I'm sure the chili is very nice. Okay, let's try it. Okay, got a piece of chicken. I'm gonna dip it in the chili. It's a very very good combination. Wow, and it's very spicy. Finished eating and I'm feeling very relaxed, very chill, just chilling here for a while. Yeah, I think I'm having food coma and also Hilltop coma.